created the Neva, the first 3D printed 3D printer accessible to all. What's a source of inspiration, you ask? It's you, and you, and you. We have observed, collected, and analyzed your needs to design a smart plug-and-play 3D printer from your feedback. It's called the Neva. You want to know more? Come closer. Here. We could tell you that it's the easiest printer to use with a single button to press, but we won't. We could tell you that it will self-calibrate thanks to its auto-leveling module and that it will do it for you, but we won't. Look! We could tell you its beautiful design makes it a masterpiece in the 3D printing industry, but we won't. Follow its smooth curves. We could tell you that we are expert in 3D printing and that we print on Neva, but we won't. Let us print. We could tell you it's ready to use once out of the box, but we won't. It's plug and play. Tap tap. We could tell you it's the only 3D printer that allows you to do bicolor easily, but we won't. Oh, and we manufacture it locally in California. Just come and visit us.
You will design, create, and live the future with the Neva. At the beginning, we didn't plan to build a Goma. Actually, we were working on a foldable bike, crazy one, like no other. Innovation is just part of us. So in order to prototype it, we bought our first 3D printer. From this moment on, sharing the possibilities of 3D printing with everyone became our mission. Over the last 2 years, we manufactured and delivered over 8,000 units of our first model, the Disco Easy, ranking #1 in France and in top 3 in Europe. Now, with the Neva, comes a new dream, becoming the #1 3D printer manufacturer in the US. This is why we need you to build this new future, a world with endless possibilities.
How can we help you? And how can you help us? By taking part in our campaign, each dollar counts for us. For each backer, we'll print your name and have it in the entrance of Odagoma factory to remind us every single day how amazing Odago community is. So you want to be part of Odago family? Become a Odago member. Everyone needs technology in their life, so let's change our world together from $299.
Introducing Intech, the first portable smart projector that projects in full 4K resolution. And yeah, it's portable, like put it in your bag and take it on the road portable. We're not just talking a projector. Intech is a full-on portable entertainment system, included with a stackable attachable speaker, Bluetooth connectivity, Wi-Fi capability, and even built-in storage. That means you can play all your favorite shows and movies whenever and wherever you want, all in crystal clear 4K. Intech is small, portable, and super easy to set up. It's a fully modular system, stacks seamlessly and connects wirelessly, which means you can break it down in seconds and set it up just as fast. Use your phone or the included remote to browse your settings and apps, or connect a device via HDMI. The omnidirectional speakers provide stunning sound all around, no matter where you place it. And 3D projection gives you a unique portable 4K experience. Best of all, Intech's stand allows you to swivel it seamlessly in 360 degrees and stand it upright so you can watch your favorite shows on the ceiling. No more craning your neck in bed. Watch your shows fully relaxed or enjoy a beautiful night under the stars. Whatever you do, wherever you are, whenever the time, you'll have crystal clear entertainment right beside you. Intech, 4K just got portable.
For several days last year, my home city of Seoul had the worst air quality in the world. Everyone stayed inside, where sometimes the air was even worse. My team was already working on portable indoor air quality monitor, but this inspired us to make one that's even better. That's how we created Pico. Pico combines numerous sensors into one tiny, really tiny, box that attaches to your smartphone. It includes a laser-based particle sensor for measuring cancer-causing PM10 and PM2.5, finders, sensors for carbon dioxide and VOCs, a hygrometer for measuring humidity. We even threw in a thermometer for good measure. We made it a smartphone connected device, so you can measure and track everything through the app. Pico is almost ready for mass production. We fully tested our prototype with help from Hanyang Institute of Technology. We finalized design and we lined up great factory. Now we just need help from Indiegogo backers like you to help us bring Pico to the world. Oh yeah, if you're curious about our technology, we have details on everything on our Indiegogo page.
Hi outdoor friends, my name is Walter and this is Marcel. We are two outdoor-inspired Swiss engineers and the founders of Polarmond. Our goal is to revolutionize the outdoor sleeping and to eliminate the conventional sleeping bags. So what are the problems with sleeping bags and sleeping mats? Hardly any freedom of movement for arms and legs. Sleeping on side is uncomfortable. Abdominal sleep is hardly possible. Slipping off the sleeping mat. The pillow is constantly shifting. When the outside temperature rises, you start to sweat or you freeze where the zipper is opened. All these problems lead to poor sleeping comfort.
Polarmond solves all these problems with its new sleep system.
The Polarmond tracking sleep system offers best sleeping comfort from 0 up to 25 degrees Celsius. So your benefits are sleeping comfort just like home, temperature regulation in the sleeping room, spacious, warm sleeping and storage room. All this promotes increased recovery and maximum performance next day. So this is our first prototype. The sleep system is ready in only a few simple steps. And here the packings of the Polarmond outer shell, liner and poles. This is the mattress which can be used for the Polarmond system as well as for a conventional synthetic fiber sleeping bag. We use the capital to finance the development and the production of the first series. The market launch is planned for the fourth quarter of 2018.
With the Polarmond outdoor sleep system, you will experience outdoor sleeping in a completely new way. Thank you very much for your trust and for your support.